Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation. And today's topic is something we all experience every day.
Your daily travel. Let's begin.
So, Alex, how is your daily travel routine?
My daily travel? It's a mix of stress, noise, patience, and more patience.
Same. Daily travel is like a mini adventure every morning.
In the morning, I rush like a superhero. Bag check, phone check, energy, zero.
Yes. Morning travel equals sleepy face plus fast walking. I usually travel by bus, and buses are always crowded.
Yes, in the morning, buses feel like festivals. So many people.
Exactly. Sometimes I stand for the whole journey like I'm doing exercise.
I sometimes ride my bike, but traffic, oh my god. Traffic tests my patience.
Bikes are fast, but dust is also fast.
True, helmet saves my head, but not my hairstyle.
Trains are a different world. People running, people pushing, people squeezing inside.
Yes, morning metro is like a competition. Who will get the seat?
And when you finally get a seat, you feel like a champion.
One day, I took the wrong bus and ended up in a place I didn't know.
Alex, how did you do that?
I was sleepy, my brain was not working.
I also had a funny travel moment. I waved at a bus, but the bus was not mine.
Embarrassing, but cute.
During travel, I listen to music or podcasts. It makes the journey peaceful.
Yes, music makes travel feel faster. Without music, boring. With music, Bollywood hero mode.
So true.
Daily travel equals full of noise. Kids screaming, people talking loudly, horns everywhere.
Yes, sometimes my ears say, I want a holiday.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I travel every day.
Sometimes my travel is stressful.
Traffic makes me tired.
I use a bus slash train slash bike for travel.
I try to stay calm.
Daily travel is part of my routine.
Great job!
Why daily travel matters?
Daily travel teaches patience.
Yes, it teaches time management too.
And it gives you small moments music, thoughts, people watching, silence.
Travel is tiring, but also interesting.
Alex, weather makes travel so difficult. In summer, hot. In winter, cold. In rain, chaos.
Yes, rain makes travel 10 times harder. Wet clothes, wet shoes, wet hair, and traffic everywhere.
And umbrellas never protect fully.
Waiting is also a big travel challenge. Waiting for bus, waiting for auto, waiting for cab.
Yes, sometimes I wait 15 minutes, and when the bus comes, it is full.
Then we become gymnasts trying to enter.
Travel also shows different types of people sleepy people, loud people, people on phone, people singing randomly.
Yes, sometimes one guy plays loud music and the whole bus becomes a party.
Or someone starts eating something smelly.
And then everyone suffers together.
I observe so many things while traveling dogs sleeping near the road, kids going to school, street vendors working, so many small stories.
Yes, daily travel shows real life. The city looks alive.
But yes, travel is stressful too. Traffic jams, noise, busy roads.
True, sometimes traffic doesn't move for 20 minutes and I sit like a statue.
Same. But patience grows every day.
But travel has small happiness too: good weather, good music, a comfortable seat, and reaching on time.
Yes, a seat in a crowded bus equals jackpot.
Tell us about your night trip.
Night travel feels calm. Lights look pretty. Roads feel quieter.
Yes, night travel feels peaceful and cinematic.
Especially with soft music.
Yes, like a movie scene. Mia, how to make travel better?
Small things make travel easier. Listen to music. Avoid stress. Leave home early. Carry water. Stay calm.
Yes, and don't get angry at traffic. Traffic never listens.
Even if travel is tiring, you are strong. You travel every day and still continue.
Yes, daily travel shows your discipline and your effort.
Be proud of yourself. Alex, do your moods change during travel?
Yes, start of travel, happy; middle of travel, tired; end of travel, why am I alive?
Same. Travel mood changes every 5 minutes. Do you ever feel sleepy during travel?
Oh, yes, especially in buses. They shake slowly, and suddenly my eyes close.
Same. Bus plus gentle movement equals instant sleep.
And then we wake up like, where am I?
Some people talk loudly on phone during travel. Why?
Yes, they talk like the whole world wants to hear.
And some people play loud videos without earphones.
Public place equals private cinema for them.
Another challenge is carrying heavy bags.
Yes. One water bottle, one lunchbox, one book, and suddenly the bag weighs like 10 kilograms.
Yes, bags become heavier every day.
But sometimes we meet nice people during daily travel, like regular bus friends.
Yes, we don't know their name, but we see them every day.
They become silent travel buddy.
Exactly. What's your favorite part of travel?
When I finally reach my destination.
Alex.
Okay. I also like looking outside the window. It relaxes me.
Same. Window view is the best travel entertainment. And least favorite part?
Traffic. Always traffic. Forever traffic.
Yes. Traffic is my biggest enemy.
Tell us little travel tips.
To make travel easier, leave home early. Drink enough water. Enjoy music. Don't stress. Sit if you can. Stay calm.
Yes, travel with peace, not anger.
Daily travel is not easy, but you do it every day. That makes you strong.
Yes, you wake up, travel, work, live. You are stronger than you think.
Be proud of your effort, your patience, your routine.
You are doing great.
Okay, Alex, that was the real last part of daily travel.
Yes, travel is tiring, but also interesting and fun.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Travel safe, stay calm, enjoy the journey of life. If you're enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Learn English easy way so you never miss a new episode.
Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thanks for listening.
Bye.
Bye.